for members of parliament to ask these pertinent questions and seek answers. First of all, I want to make an observation that my counterpart, the Honorable Nambooze, is not here. And when she comes, she will start making trouble. So
we'll start over
just
again.
Tell her that once you are late, you miss the boat when she comes. Honorable Chair, unfortunately, I can't answer this question, the question you seek answers to, because I happen to be the global chairman of the Pan-African movement, and we had a movement meeting in Harare. So I was not available when these Kawempe things were taking place. I was in Zimbabwe. However, my colleague, the Minister of State, addressed Parliament, I'm told, and he ably put our position. And the President has also made a position, and we are bound by collective responsibility to follow the statement of the Chief Executive. So if you have any questions after the statement of the Chief Executive, I think you better refer those questions to the Chief Executive, because we are bound by collective cabinet responsibility, and he is the chair of the cabinet. So I can't put any other position other than the position of the Chief Executive. I thank you, Mr. Chairman.